This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials, an Azure subscription and a resource group. Once done, create a Logic app and pick consumption or standard based on scale and pricing. Next, select your trigger, HTTP request for webhooks, recurrence for scheduled jobs, or a built-in connector for services. As you choose a trigger, consider authentication and permissions so connectors will run. Make sure to name the workflow clearly because that helps during deployment and when troubleshooting later. Once the trigger is in place, add actions step by step and wire them logically. You will drag connectors like Outlook, Storage, or SQL and configure required fields. Use expressions for transformations. Make sure to use variables and scopes to keep state, then add for each loops and condition controls for branching. Also configure concurrency and retry policies so transient failures don't break the flow. As you build, test small segments to validate inputs and outputs before adding complexity. You finish by saving and running the workflow, then examine run history to verify each action's input and output. Once validated, deploy via ARM template or set up a CI/CD pipeline for repeatable releases. Monitor metrics and set alerts for failures or throttling. If something goes wrong, check connector authentication, quota limits, and the action's error details. Often re-authenticating or increasing throttling limits fixes the issue. Finally, iterate and redeploy after confirming fixes in a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.